Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today it's just going to be a very simple video for you guys. It's going to go over what my channel is about, and if you enjoy this video and kind of what I'm telling you guys that I'll be doing, please hit that subscribe button for me. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, help me grow as a channel and grow together and learn together. So basically my channel doesn't have a niche for it, or a niche, whatever you want to pronounce it like. I just want to use my channel as a place to help others and to teach them different things, and the knowledge that I have that I would have appreciated having a little bit sooner in life, and just things that parents tend to not teach their kids sometimes, or not even that, but like even helping parents on things that they don't know, because I think the biggest thing is that a lot of parents don't know what they're not teaching their children either, and a lot of kids don't let their parents know until way too late. So I want to kind of help in that regards and kind of set people up for success in life if I can, while also showing my personal journey, different challenges, goals that I have for myself, and it's also a way to keep myself on track and be held responsible, because there's nobody else who's gonna hold you more responsible than like a group of random strangers, and yourself. And I feel like that endless support that I've seen like online for a lot of people, that's something I would like to have, and I'd like to get to know people and connect and really be able to grow as a person. Now, with that being said, I also will be doing different like DIY videos, crafts and arts. Those are some things that are majorly part of my life. I really enjoy sewing, painting, drawing, anything I can really get my hands onto, jewelry making, pottery making. I really don't care what it is. I just really enjoy doing art-based stuff and want to also share that part of my life with you guys too. I'm not sure if there's anything in particular anybody would like me to share with them, but I am a pretty open book when it comes to my life. My family's always been very open and discussing stuff, which I've been very lucky in that sense, because lots of life things haven't been a huge shocker to me when growing up, and I also want to reestablish more of that selflessness in society again. I know that's something I personally struggle with a lot, is watching the world become the way it's becoming, and it's really, really tough. I feel for a lot of people, and there's a nice balance, and we're just not hitting that balance, and I know there's a large group of people out there who agree with me on that. And I would love to get to know those people and meet them and do stuff together. But in the meantime, I will be doing a ton of videos. Hopefully, my goal is to upload every Saturday. Again, I do have 2 jobs, so once I go back to those, I may be a little all over the place in the meantime. Please bear with me while I figure it out. I really, really want to do this and get started in the 2020 year and make 2020 my year. And something that I'm looking forward to is growing more as a person. So I do have this notebook here. So this is my book here, and this is where I write down all of my video ideas. So far, I have enough to do 1 a week for the rest of the year, which is like a huge weight off my shoulder, because I feel like that's one of the hardest things to do, is just come up with an array of video ideas. So I've written them down right away, and then with each title of what I want to do, I sketch down kind of ideas within the video, so I'm not just kind of randomly rambling to the camera. I do enjoy doing that though, but not when it's something where I want to teach somebody something. I want to make sure everything's accurate and precise so that I am giving the correct information to other people. So if that's kind of something you guys would like to be part of and grow with me, please, again, just hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. I'm really enjoying seeing how many people are watching my videos and kind of getting out there. And I'm open to ideas. Again, I have a year's worth already, but if you guys want to throw one in there, if you feel like once a week is not enough, if you want twice a week, but right now with just kind of starting out again, I think once a week on Saturdays is going to be my goal. So thank you for watching. I hope you join my channel, and to talk to you guys later. Bye guys.